Ever wondered why your car feels like a financial black hole, silently sucking the life out of your bank account? You're not wrong. For most people, their vehicle is the single biggest wealth-destroying asset they will ever own. So before you even think about stepping into another dealership, you need to watch this. We're sold a dream, aren't we? The dream of freedom, of status, of adventure. Marketers spend billions convincing us that the right car will change our lives, make us more attractive, more successful. They sell us an identity wrapped in steel, glass, and a mountain of debt. But the reality is a far cry from the commercial. The reality is a monthly payment that dictates your budget, the constant fear of the first scratch, and a financial chain that ties you down for years. The dream they sell you is precisely what keeps you from achieving your actual financial dreams. Let's break down the biggest wealth killer of them all, depreciation. Cars are not investments. They are rapidly depreciating assets. In fact, they're one of the worst places you can park your money. The moment you drive that shiny new car off the lot, it's no longer a new car. In that single instant, it can lose up to 10% of its value. Gone. Vanished into thin air before you even make it to the first traffic light. But it doesn't stop there. By the end of the first year, your car has likely lost 20% of its purchase price. After 3 years, it could be 40%. So that $40,000 SUV you've been eyeing? In 5 years, it's often worth less than $20,000. That's $20,000 of your hard-earned money that has simply evaporated. Now think about the opportunity cost. What if you had invested that lost $20,000 instead? At a modest 8% return over 30 years, that $20,000 could have grown to over $200,000. Your car didn't just cost you 20 grand, it cost you a significant chunk of your retirement. And depreciation is just the tip of the iceberg. The true cost of car ownership is a monster hiding below the surface. We're talking about the total cost of ownership. First, there's fuel, a cost that's volatile and unpredictable. Then there's insurance. The more expensive the car, the higher the premium to protect it. For a new car, you're often required to have full coverage, which can cost thousands per year. And let's not forget maintenance and repairs. Even with a warranty, things go wrong. And once that warranty expires, a single major repair on a complex modern vehicle can set you back thousands. Add in sales tax, registration fees, and in some places, annual property taxes on your vehicle. The bleeding never stops. Let's look at 2 real-world scenarios. Meet Alex. He just landed a good job and decided to treat himself to a $50,000 sports sedan. He put a little down and took out a 6-year loan. His monthly payment, plus insurance and fuel, eats up nearly 30% of his take-home pay. He's car poor. He looks successful, but he's constantly stressed about money, can't afford to invest, and every little noise the car makes sends him into a panic. The car owns him. Now meet Maria. She's in a similar financial position to Alex, but instead of buying new, she spent $15,000 in cash on a reliable 4-year-old sedan known for its low maintenance costs. She has no car payment. Her insurance is half of Alex's. She takes the $800 per month she's spending on a car payment and invests it. She doesn't worry about door dings. She's building real wealth and living a life with less financial stress. Who is truly richer? But what if you drive a beater? You might be thinking, I don't want an unreliable old car. Let's reframe that. We're not talking about a rust bucket. We're talking about a smart used car. Yeah, it might not turn heads, but your wallet will thank you. The key is to buy smart. Research the most reliable models. Look for cars that are 3-5 years old, where the steepest depreciation has already been paid by someone else. And always get a pre-purchase inspection from a trusted mechanic. That $150 can save you from a $5,000 mistake. So how can you make a smarter choice? Follow a few simple rules. First, the April 10th 20 rule. If you must finance, put at least 20% down, finance for no more than 4 years, and ensure your total monthly car expenses, payment, insurance, fuel, are less than 10% of your gross income. Second, always calculate the total cost of ownership before you buy. Don't just look at the monthly payment. Look at the whole picture. And third, the best option of all, buy a reliable used car you can afford with cash. Every dollar you don't send to a lender is a dollar you can use to build your own future. Funnel that saved cash into things that actually grow your money. Index funds, paying off high-interest debt, investing in yourself. So next time you're tempted by that new car smell and that shiny paint, remember what it truly represents: a massive financial anchor. True wealth isn't about what you drive, it's about the freedom you have. Wealthy people don't always look rich. They understand that the smartest move isn't showing off your money, it's putting your money to work. Sometimes, the most powerful financial statement you can make is rolling up in a humble ride, knowing it's your ticket to financial freedom. What's the smartest or most expensive car decision you've ever made? Share your story in the comments below to help others learn. And if this video made you rethink your next car purchase, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We're here to help you build real wealth, not just the illusion of it.